Welcome to another edition of the story behind the car. This car is amazing. I'm not sure if it's a clone or the real deal, but it's a 1968 Plymouth Road Runner with a 426 Hemi. There you can see the Road Runner badge. And what a clean car. I did a little bit of research on my phone before I shot this, and there were only like 1,100 of these made in 1968, and their values are, I think, between $170,000 and $200,000. For $714, you can get the upgrade from the 383 to the 426 Hemi, and this has the 426 Hemi. But what an amazing car! There's the year manufacturer plate. There's the Roadrunner and the Hemi badging. I'll get around to the side again in a minute. When I first looked at it, I did not see the Roadrunner horn. But I've spoken to a lot of these guys, and they took the Roadrunner horn off just because people would ask for the honk the horn all the time, and they got tired of it. Yeah, see, the Roadrunner horn was a purple horn, and that's black, as you can see. But what an amazing car. 426 Hemi, 1968 Roadrunner. Thanks again for watching.